Māori versus Māori, which is correct? The answer is both. You've probably heard reo Iwi dialects of the far north and eastern North Island, which have dominated te reo Māori in recent years, but there are many different mita and dialects unique to different iwi. Mita can involve dropping a consonant, a glottal stop, or replacing a letter with another. It is a special way for reo speakers to identify each other and also acknowledges tupuna, whakapapa, and whanaungatanga. For example, instead of hearing whakarongo to listen with a sharp F sound at the beginning, it would often be pronounced hakarongo by ngā puhi members. As another example, Tūhui speakers change the ng sound into an N sound, so whakarongo becomes whakarono. And Ngai Tahu or Kaitahu speakers change the ng sound into a K sound, and it becomes whakaroko. These were just examples of the many different dialects and mita used in te reo Māori, but we just wanted to leave you with this statement. What do you guys think of it? Is mita important to you? And if so, why? Tell us in the comments, whānau.